Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you are a first-time visitor, welcome and thank you. Today we are going to do an unboxing video for a purchase that I made from santorolondon.com. All of this in preparation of my Gorgeous Girls Challenge. I think I'm launching that challenge in July, so be on the lookout for that. Now, this is the second time I'm filming this video. The first time, I don't know, cell phone's been a little glitchy. I film on my iPhone, and lately it's been a little glitchy, so that's telling me it's time for a new iPhone. So some of the items, I had wanted to open everything here with you. We can kind of open it together. Good thing I caught on that it wasn't recording. I did open 3 items so far, so I'll share those with you and then I'll continue. So the first item I opened up was this free item that was sent to me by santorolondon.com. It is a pop-up card. How cool is this? This was totally free. So I can't wait to have some fun with this. I'm thinking what I want to do is see if I can manipulate this so I can put it as a page in one of my journals. So when you open the page, it pops up on the page. I opened, and this is so cute, this little tin. It has stickers inside that are the theme of the character on the outside. So here we have the Hatter. So inside we have stickers that are themed after the Hatter. Really cute. Love that a lot. Here is another tin. This one has a little microfiber cloth in it, and that is what the cloth looks like. How cute. So usually when I buy from the website, because I know I want to buy multiples of things, I tend to stick to the lower priced items, usually under $4, because again, I know I want multiples, and when you want multiples of something, and if you're sticking to the high-end prices, that tends to add up. So all of these items, with some exceptions, were under $5. A couple of the bigger ones were under 10. So definitely check out the website, see for yourself. I got these when they were having, I think it was free shipping with a minimum purchase amount, which I never have a problem reaching. But sometimes they do have just free shipping, which is great because these items come in from the UK. Here's another tin. I love this one. Adorable. And again, the stickers inside would be themed after her. And this is Little Red Riding Hood. She is adorable. Now, I would say 90% of these items are going to be up for grabs in my challenge. Some of them are obviously for me. Yeah, I don't shop just, for other people. I shop for me too. So I've got to say lately I've been shopping more for other people than for myself. So here's, I think this is another tin. I think this is another tin. So yeah, this year I think I want to try to launch the challenge a little earlier. Last year I launched it really late, which I wasn't a big fan of. This year I'm going to try to launch it in July, and it'll probably be open for 2 months. How awesome is this? And you guys know how I am. I don't like to extend challenge days or end dates. I just don't. I figured, 2 months is more than enough time, and I just want to move on to the next project. And also, I don't like to have the items sitting around in my craft room for that long waiting to ship, because it does take up space in my craft room. Here's another one. This one's cute. This one's Every Summer Has a Story. How adorable. So I got 3 of those tins. I think this year, here's another one. I am going to have three prizes. Not only stamps, there will be stamps, but not only stamps, as you can see. When I buy from Santoro London, I don't typically buy stamps from there because you can get the stamps here in the US at a great price. And actually the website itself doesn't have a huge selection of their stamps. I think because they know you can get those products here in the US. I think most of their focus is on non-stamp related projects, or I should say items, though they have some. I haven't picked up the stamps yet because I'm waiting for some super sale. They always drop somewhere, but there will be stamps, there will be papers. If you participated in my challenges before, then you know I'm not chintzy. I like big packages. I love grand packages. Here's another tin with a microfiber cloth. She is so cute. Goodness gracious. So the microfiber cloths are great for cleaning glasses. And if you don't wear glasses, that's okay too, because maybe you wear sunglasses, or maybe you just want to take it and frame it. Who knows? Let's see. What's this one? Oh, I remember these. These are so cute. I got two of each. These are passport themed. Let's see. I can open one here. Passport themed stationery, and it's also sticker book. So this is Rosie. I love Rosie. Rosie is a doll. So there she is. So this passport is entirely themed here. Let's see, let me try to do this. I'll take one out, not the others. So it looks like a passport, except that it's Gorgeous Girls themed. These are stickers. And you have notepads. It's almost like a notepad. Really pretty. And more stickers on the back. Really cute. Really, really, really cute. So those are the dogs going crazy. They always do that when I'm filming. Gotta love them. So I got 2 of the Rosies, and I got 2 of this cutie here. So it's a notebook with stickers, essentially. And it's different. Like I said, I don't only give away stamps, I also do products. Oh, I think this some of my purchase might be non-Gorgeous Girls related, because I couldn't resist. These are for me. I couldn't resist these. Look at how cute these little sticky notes are. These are absolutely adorable. I love this. And these are part of their Korikumi collection, which I also collect and love and use. This is adorable. So I picked that up. That's for me. Sorry, guys. Here's another that I picked up for me. I don't know. Is this part of... Yeah, it is part of Korikumi. Adorable. Well, my hands are like looking a little grungy. It's because I've been working in my journal. And so I have all kinds of acrylic sprays and paint and dilution sprays on my hands. Crazy. Here are some gorgeous sticky notes. I love these. Every year they just get cuter and cuter. So it's an entire little book of all sticky notes. So these are the 2 that I picked up. Absolutely adorable. Adorable. Goodness, they had so much cuteness going on there. It took me forever to figure out what I wanted. And then at the end, I was just hoping and praying that it would process this time, because this is the second time I tried to place this order. I shared my story about how I tried to place it before when they had free shipping, but wouldn't let me process the payment. And then the website reached out to me, apologized, and sent me a free gift. I thought that was pretty cool. So in terms of my challenge, my friends, I don't know what the theme is going to be this year. Oh my gosh, I remember this. This is a pencil tin. How cute. So let's see. Let's open it up. You can put your favorite pens, pencils, or whatever you want, your keepsakes, your trinkets in this box. Love it. So as I was saying, I don't know. Boy, I definitely want it to be a make and mail challenge, but I want to keep it small and simple, only because boy, I already have enough in my craft room, you know. My ATC collection is blowing up, so I'm out of room in my albums for ATCs. So I want to keep it simple, but I also want I want the subject to be diverse enough so that everyone can participate. Not all of us are card makers. Not all of us make ATCs. Not all of us, make charms. So I have to sort it out. It's probably going to be a list of different things. That way it appeals to everyone. Here's another tin. So that's still up in the air. I mean, if you have any suggestions on the theme for this year, definitely leave a comment down below. I'm always open. Ears open. Look at that. How cute is she? She is gorgeous. Here's another tin. I'm always willing to hear on what you think. So definitely drop me a line down below. Goodness gracious. Wow, this one's packed pretty tight. I think this is another tin. So yeah, their tins were at a good price this year. So I picked up some of the tins. Their sticky notes are always at a good price. The little passports. I remember all these were relatively inexpensive. I mean, when you get a bunch of stuff, it adds up. But individually, because of the prices, it did allow me to pick up multiples. So there you go. I always try to salvage these stickers and it never works out for me. So I just gave up. As you can tell, I haven't even tried. This entire order, I haven't even tried. Oh goodness. This was my favorite one. I remember her. Isn't she gorgeous? She is beautiful. And I love the New York theme in the background. You can see the Statue of Liberty. See the Statue of Liberty in the background. Wow, so 3 tins. Yay. And then these, I believe, if I remember correctly, let's open them up. I believe these are, yes, how cute. These are, oh my goodness. Look at this. Let's take a closer look. These are lined journals. Lined mini journals. So really pretty. Really pretty. Here's one. That's Little Red Riding Hood again. I love her little fox. Little gray fox is adorable. She is adorable too. Look at her. She's all dressed up. She's ready to go. This one, I'm going to have to flip this over somehow because it looks like, oh, I'm not sure what's the deal. Is it upside down? I'm not sure. I'll take a closer look at this one. I think it needs to be flipped over. It was inserted. I'm not sure what's going on with the insert. It's a little wonky. Might explain why it was why it was on sale. Wait, are they all that way? No, just that one. Okay, so I'll sort that one out. Here's another. I love her dress. It looks like a little it's watermelon. Wow, if that one is a little defective booklet, I wonder if it's like super valuable. Probably not. It's just something I'm going to end up keeping, and because I wouldn't want to give that to anyone. Yeah, this one is fine. You could tell, like. So here you see on there you have the letters for the days of the week and little circles below it, so you can and you can date your page and you can mark the day and make your little entries or note your appointments, whatever you want to do. That one is hilarious. I wonder what's up with it. Yeah, do you see? Like, look at the back. It's upside down, and it's the only one that's like that, because look at the back of the others. It's upside down. Look, here's the front. Look at the back. It's upside down. What's going on? And then look at the pages. The pages are not right. So, I'm not sure. I'll play around with it later, but now my curiosity is piqued because I think it's a defect. I think it's a defect in the journal. Yeah, it's definitely a defect in the journal. Ha! How funny is that? Because this is This is the front cover. There's no changing that. There's no flipping it. And if you flip the book the correct way, then this would be your front cover. And that doesn't make any sense at all. At all. So there's a problem here. Maybe I'll reach out to them and see what they have to say. But that's a production issue. Wonder if it becomes a collectible because it's a production issue. I don't know. But it was relatively inexpensive, so I'm not going to stress it too much. Maybe I'll just keep that one for myself. And this, I think I got for myself. I remember this. This is fun. It is... Oh, my God. Sorry for all the noise, but this one excites me. It is a cross-stitch kit, my friends. I am excited about this one. Oh my God. So here you get everything you need to create this beauty here on the cover. Isn't she gorgeous? Goodness gracious. She is a doll. And it comes with everything you need. Look at that. Beautiful. Everything you need is in here. All the materials, the pattern, the needle. Oh my gosh. It's going to take me a while to do this one, but that's okay. Good for relaxing and decompressing. So that is my order from SantoraLondon.com. I think this is hilarious. I'm definitely going to figure out what's going on there. And then I'm also going to be hitting my stash to pull some of my items out of my stash to include as part of the giveaway. So again, this is all part of my Gorgeous Girls challenge this year. I think I'm going to launch that one sometime in July. I still am undecided. I'm like, you know, a leaf in the wind. I keep blowing around back and forth, changing my mind. I'm not sure what the theme is going to be, or what the things are that you can make. I want it to be diverse. I want a variety of things so that everybody wants to participate. If you have some ideas, definitely leave me a comment down below. Other than that, yeah. Thank you, my friends, so much for stopping by and viewing my videos. I truly do appreciate it. It means the world to me, guys. It really does, that you take the time from your busy schedules. I know we're all busy, to sit down and watch my videos. If you like what you see, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. If you are a first-time visitor and you are not a subscriber, if you like what you see, subscribe, come back, visit me. Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye.